In this video, we will see how to download and install Git on Windows 10 operating system. Git is a free, open source and the most popular distributed version control system. So let us see how we can install Git on Windows 10. Open your browser and search Git. Here is the official Git website, git-scm.com. Click on that. You can see the download link for latest Git version for Windows. Click on download for Windows. You can use this link to download 64-bit version of Git for Windows. I will click on this download link. The Git download process will start. Wait until the download is finished. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double-click the Git installer file to start Git installation. The system may ask you for a confirmation like this. You want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to confirm. The Git installation setup is started. You can read the terms of license. Click Next. Setup will install Git to this location. You can change the install location from here if you want. I will keep the default location. Click Next. Select Components. If you need a Git desktop icon, you can check this. Click Next. Setup will also create a start menu for Git. Click Next. You can change Git default editor from here. I will keep the default editor, which is Notepad. Click Next. Adjusting the name of initial branch. Let us keep the default. Let Git decide. Click Next. Click Next here. Click Next again. Keep default. Click Next. Keep default. Click Next. Next. Choose the default behavior of Git pull. Fast forward or merge is the default. We will keep the same. Click Next. Next. Click Install. The setup has started Git installation. Wait until installation is complete. Git installation is complete. Click Finish. Now we will verify Git installation. Open a new command prompt. Type this command, git space -- version, and press enter. It will show the installed Git version, which is 2.49.0 in our case. So this means Git is installed correctly in our system. You can also run Git. This will show a list of commands associated with Git. So in this video, you have learned how to download and install Git on Windows 10. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.